If your 2017 Kia Sportage won't start, we are going to diagnose the most likely culprits in just a few minutes. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues on this SUV are simply caused by a depleted battery or loose terminal connections. Let us walk through the systematic process to isolate the failure. Start by checking battery voltage, inspecting terminal corrosion, and listening for audible clicks when you turn the key. Beyond the battery, check the ground strap for corrosion and consider the starter solenoid if you hear a single heavy click. If the engine cranks fine but won't catch, inspect your fuel pump fuses or the crankshaft position sensor. You can tackle minor electrical fixes like relay swaps yourself, but internal engine or ECM issues require professional diagnostic equipment. Here is the typical cost breakdown for these repairs, reflecting both parts and professional labor rates. For advanced troubleshooting, use an OBD-I scanner to find hidden codes and a multimeter to check for voltage drops while cranking. Keep a basic multimeter, a code reader, and a wire brush in your garage to handle these common issues quickly. Always remember that safety is the priority, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. Thanks for watching, and check the links below for more tips on keeping your Kia Sportage running smoothly.